It's Chriso from Down Under, Queensland, Australia. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm coming out every 2 days, so there will always be something for you to see. We're just going into the kitchen. We're doing the kitchen floor at the moment. You might notice that I'm using a different colour glue. It's just that in the weekend, I couldn't get the glue I've been using, but this is just as good. It's actually the one I wanted to use at the start. But yeah, it's all good. I'm going to have a small slither along that wall, but it's under the fridge. You know, it's pretty hard to have your whole floor absolute 110% bang on that you haven't got a small cut somewhere. I'd rather mine be under the fridge, and that's where it is, so it's all worked out well. Yeah, we're into the sort of slower parts of a floor, smaller area, but it's all part of it. It's how it is. Hopefully you're learning. If there's anything I've missed, just put it in the comments column, and I'll endeavour to get you an answer to the question. Now, where do I leave my rubber hammer? Out here, I think. Yep. That's beautiful. I like it a lot. Always, that is a biggie. You always scrape your glue away. You always scrape your glue away like I've done there. Hopefully you can see, before you put your next tile down. And then it reduces the glue between your lines, because with plank tiles you get a few lines. Right, if that's the only small cut we have on the floor, it's all cool. It's covered by the fridge, so it's wonderful. It always gets a little bit tricky because we're in a confined space. The cat's in the bedroom again, and because they are inside pussycats, so there's two cats in the main bedroom, and one just bashes at the door all day. Wanting to get out. There we go. Beautiful. I haven't done my primer sealer under the washing machine or under the fridge. It's a little bit sort of unnecessary under there. On your main floor, it's a must. I could have my glue just a little bit stiffer, because if you noticed, it's falling off my trowel a little bit. It's not quite staying on my trowel, so it could actually be a little bit stiffer. But it's all right. I'll be through this bucket soon, so it's all good. With clips, I don't have to worry about it being a little bit too soft and the tile sinking. Clips hold it up. But get that glue away from your joint. That's a must. And put some clips in before you put down your tile. That's another must.